Hello friends, Philip and I are out walking on a beautiful walking path beside the Iowa River. It is a beautiful setting. We are getting out of our comfort zone and we are getting out and about and exploring new things. And this is such a beautiful walk. The weeping willow, beautiful tree. But there's the river. I would love to walk on this every morning after my coffee. Like I said, we are getting out of our comfort zone and we are trying to live healthy, creative lives by making sure that we get our exercise in so we can have long creative lives. Well, we just wanted to share a few minutes with you of our day. And so please like and share and subscribe and follow me on my creative life. I hope you are living yours too, because I think that it will benefit us as we move more into our midlife years. So friends, stay creative. See you next time. Bye.